Hey there. Thanks for watching my Delta review by Billy Darr, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page and show you a demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This Delta review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into this dashboard myself, and I'm going to take you with me as I research this platform, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. Now, let's see what Delta promises us. How they exploit a $100 billion giant for profits even while they sleep. 7 seconds plus one button forces Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp to pay them $21.63 an hour without tech skills, upfront costs, or an ounce of experience. They tell us there's a guide included, that 11 off-the-road folks made over $8,000. And if we scroll down just a little bit and take a look at these 11 strangers, let me make this, there we go. If we take a look at the last product he put out, and scroll down, it looks like these are the same 12 beginners that were in his testing group for that also. So when I see stuff like that, I don't know how much to make of this sales page, so let's just get into the product. So here we are in Delta's dashboard, and the first thing you're going to want to do is go into the training. And right now, a little less than 12 hours out from launch, it looks like they still have Prime training in here, which is the product that he put out last month. And if you guys are interested in seeing that review that I did, I am going to link that above, because if we take a look at this dashboard here, it actually looks almost exactly the same as Prime as well. So since there's no training, let's keep going forward. First thing you're going to need to do is connect your Facebook and Instagram. You can get to both of those places from here. You would simply import your Facebook account and then log in. Once you do that, if you want to use this messenger marketing, be sure to enable your bot connection over here. And now your Facebook account is connected to Delta so that you can do a multimedia post, a call to action post, or a carousel video post, all of which you can do in Facebook without Delta. So if we look at the option they give us to create a new post, even the preview here may differ from your actual post. So this may or may not look like what you want your post to look like. They do give you the option to schedule it or to post it now. Now, if you were to schedule it, the only way you can see what posts have been scheduled is to look at this column here in each one of these options. So there's nowhere that there's like a calendar page so you could see everything at once, which I think would be really helpful in this product because you're going to spend a lot of time toggling back and through here. If you wanted to see a campaign, you could view it from here. There's a report, embedding, editing, or deleting as well. A little bit further down on Facebook, now we get into the Facebook automation tools. This gives you the ability to automate your comments and replies. And if we look at Instagram marketing, you also have the option to do a post just like you would in Instagram, or you could do a hashtag search, which you can also do in Instagram, both without Delta. It also has the same automation tools. There are several reasons that I don't recommend automating your comments and replies. The first one is because you're going to miss valuable information that your customers are talking about. If you are paying attention to the conversations that they are having and the questions that they are asking and the products that they are talking about, you will be able to create valuable content around those topics to give to your customers. But if you have them automated, you don't have that information. You don't know what they're talking about. You don't know what their conversations consist of. And the second reason actually has to do with messenger marketing because it's a bot. So you could come in here to Instagram and set up your bot settings to automatically reply and have conversations with people. But I have a question. Would you buy something from a bot? Because humans typically know when they're talking to a bot or in a bot conversation. And they typically won't buy unless it's a real human. If you come in here and do an input flow, we'll put in a campaign name. There's already a page in here. They give you these options to choose from to start your campaign flow. But unless you know what you're doing and what to say, people will know that this is a bot and it is not a real human. And that is not the best way to build a relationship. They also give you the option to connect an email autoresponder with these 5 options, but if you don't have one of these 5, you cannot connect your autoresponder. The next section we have to look at is the WhatsApp marketing. First, you would need to import your WhatsApp contacts, which you can do from here, or you can put them in one at a time, but you will have to get them into this program. Then you would be able to send out posts. And WhatsApp does have limitations on the number of posts you can post daily. So if you're going to use WhatsApp as a strategy, be sure you read up on those rules and regulations. But as I got to looking at this, I actually realized Billy Darr has put out a product called Alpha that was all about WhatsApp bulk messaging. So he really did just take 3 of his products and put them all together for this app. So none of this is anything new from Billy Darr. It's just 3 of his programs put together. The last button that we have down here is the 1 button. And if you'll remember on his sales page, it said 7 seconds plus this 1 button is going to force Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp to pay us money, right? This 1 button is actually just all of your Facebook posts in one section. And if you click this, it allows you to repost that post. So I don't know how reposting a post is going to force Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp to pay you any money. And they certainly didn't explain any of that in the training. So I find it very hard to believe that Facebook pays you just to post. Otherwise, we would all be posting and making tons of money all the time. So what's Delta's strategy? It is a Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp poster, so you can post with it. And all of the functions that they give you in here, you can do this from the platform yourself. You don't need Delta to do this. It also gives you a messenger bot and the ability to automate all of your comments and replies, all of which I highly suggest you do not do if you are a newbie in affiliate marketing. You do miss out on tons of valuable information by not replying yourself. And if we take a look at Billy Darr on Muncheye, you can see he started releasing products in June of 2012, and he has been releasing products once a month, sometimes twice a month since then. Prime was actually a version of Magic that he put out earlier this year, and Delta has Prime in it, so that's just a 3rd version of that. Alpha actually doesn't show up on here. That was released in April of this year, so for whatever reason that's not here. Alpha was actually added into Delta with Prime. So he just sells these programs over and over again. He doesn't actually use them. On the front end, Delta's going to run you $17. I have found 3 different pricing structures. This first one is the one that you see in all Billy Darr's products. This one's going to run you about $528. These down here are different prices, and they're going to run you about $644. As you can see, this is upsell 1 through 5. But if we look at the upgrades on the Delta dashboard, there is actually upgrade 1 through 8. So all total, your minimum price is going to be $528, depending on which upgrades are actually available. Look, Delta's not forcing any of these companies to pay them money. They don't even discuss how you would make money with Delta. All they discuss is that you can post on those platforms or that you can automate your comments and replies. Nothing about that tells you how to earn money. Please don't waste your time, your money, or your efforts on Delta. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I really hope this Delta review answered all of your questions. If it didn't and you still have questions, be sure to drop them in the comments below and I'll get to them as soon as I possibly can. Thanks for watching!